Khawf by itself is a spiritual perfection, one of the spiritual achievements, but it also leads to many other good things. So it's a virtue by itself, but also prepares for other virtues to come. To the extent that Imam Khomeini says, سرچشمه تمام اصلاحات. It's the spring and the source for all the things that you do in order to improve and correct yourself. و مبدأ علاج جمیع امراض روحانی. And this is the source for healing or curing all spiritual kinds of illnesses. Khawf. So khawf is like a fire that burns any impurity, burns any mischief, or any love for making mischief in us. So those who are believers and those who are wayfarers, those who migrate towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they give lots of attention to khawf. And they try to do whatever can strengthen this khawf, this fear. For example, remembering death, remembering the hereafter, remembering the day of judgment, remembering punishment. All these things can help the fire of khawf or fear become stronger and stronger. We have to be careful about also istidraj. Istidraj is being left to ourselves. When people don't get the message, don't stop from doing bad things, even if they were given signals, then little by little these signals may stop and they may be left to themselves.